Okay. They had a half price sale, 50% off on the 3 mil plastic sheeting, all purpose, clear, indoor, outdoor. Me and Paul was trying to figure out where we're going to put all these plants that we've started and seeds and all that, and we're running out of room in the basement. So I told him, I said, well, I saw the plastic sheeting half price. So I was hoping they still had some today. We run to our local Dollar General store. These were normally $6 something, and I think I got them for $3.30 or $3.36 a piece. So it was about 40 bucks for 12 rows, and they are 10 by 20. So with each of these being 10 by 20, it should be 200 square feet per row. So it should be 2,400 square feet for all 12 rows is what we should have in plastic. So, all right, project, build a greenhouse on a budget, poor folk way, paying cash. Anyhow, we'll show you how it works. Okay, I was going to show you here too. We had 2 packs of these 10-gallon grow bags, and there's 7 grow bags in each one. They're a breathable fabric. They allow the heat to escape. You can plant all year long in them. They keep the soil cool and not hot on summer days. The fabric grow bags are easy to store. The built-in handles make them easy to move. They don't require construction. Transplanting simple and easy when you want to move them, and you can start your seeds indoors. So they're supposed to be perfect. This is our first time trying them. It's got something on it there, but anyhow, got one folded out here to show you. Another one right here. You can see it's got a couple handles on each end. Lighting's not the best out here today, but anyhow, here's our soil that we're filling the grow bags with a little old our tractor, oh faithful. And you know who's out here to supervise? Oakley, of course, because you know we might do it wrong if he wasn't out here. Thought I'd show you in here. We're just going to line these fabric bags up there and put the plastic on this outside of these kennels, or no, I think we decided the inside, that way the dogs can't chew on them. Yeah, can't rip them. There's your better view of them. Anyhow, we're going to put that plastic on the inside of these here. And as you can see, it's got a metal roof, so it'd have to be better than nothing. Not the best for certain, but better than nothing. We're going to get some seeds planted, which some of them we should have already had, but like I said, we didn't have anywhere to put them. We don't got enough storage area in the house, or, you know, area by windows, or extra space to keep them. So these are the tomatoes that's going in some, been transplanted into some containers, and we're going to plant some seeds in these. And we got a bunch of our bags already out here ready to start with. Like I said, we got 12 rows of them. Alrighty, Paul's scooping out some of this dirt. I didn't think to tell you earlier, this is from our compost pile. Filling those grow bags, you can see there. Like I said, that's our first time trying these grow bags, and we'll let you know how we like them. I've seen several homesteads and people on YouTube that use them and like them, so I don't see why we wouldn't.
We'll give it a whirl.
Yeah.
We'll see.
This is Paul's day off, his only day off this week. He had a half day off yesterday, or not a full day, but a few hours in the evening. But anyhow, probably the last one off for a while, because Tell him, Paul. I don't have to tell him.
Fix to start planting rice. Fix to start planting rice.
Tomorrow, April Fool's, starting planting rice.
That ain't no joke, Bill.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Just moving those in there. We still gotta put plastic up in there and get that all straightened up. But
You got a couple days for the next frost, though.
yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you right here. There's nothing in this right now, but I always rinse these out and reuse it. We keep these for flies. Keep the flies down in here. It's a fly trap. You put some liquid in it and some of that packet, and boy, the flies find it fast and they can get in if they can't get out.
Yeah,
Anyhow,
it don't smell good.
no, they stink really bad when you walk by them. We hang them on the front porch and stuff, and you smell it right at the doorway. It's not good, but you ain't gonna have flies attacking you. You see our big tractor back there. We're using the little one up here, and you can see when Paul moves there. There's our
That's our 2390. I got to put my front shields back on.
390.
We took them off the other day.
Get over here. You can see it better.
When the hood slide was hanging.
Come around here so you can see it better. We're pretty proud of that one too. That one's the one that planted the beet all. I was saying on a video a couple days ago that I thought the beet all was $11 or $12 a pound, and we got 100 pounds, but Paul was saying it was 13, which I said on the video it may have been higher than that because I got to thinking it did sound like it was a little low, but yeah, $1,300 worth of beet all seed. But it is definitely worth it. It has saved our bacon many times. Whenever, because we have a whole lot more. Get tongue tied.
Last 2 years with droughts.
Yeah. Well, actually, about 5 years we've had a whole lot less water in our creeks and everything. We just don't seem to get the rainfall that we used to, or never can catch up. But it seems like it's a drought more often. But yeah, that tractor right there planted the beet all.
Yep.
Okay, this greenhouse is going to be more than a one-day project, but we've got a metal roof over this, so we think we'll be good for a few days. We've got some broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage. I planted all those in these grow bags. And kind of got a little potting station set up here. Nothing fancy. We'll get better. I think we decided we're going to get some clear roofing for this. Oh, this. I haven't patted all this in or broke up the dirt yet. This is from our compost pile. We've got some onions. I'm thinking about going ahead and plant them in the garden because I ain't decided exactly what I'm going to do with everything. And then we went ahead and brought my orange tree out, my olive tree, and as you can see, it's two little separate areas here, but anyhow, we covered that wall over there, and we've got tomato plants, and those, they're just going to be there until they can go to the garden. Here's part of the plastic. We got to go get the rest of it out of the vehicle. We didn't get to that part today. Like I said, it's just a more than one day process. Yeah. It's like everything. You hope to get it done, but it's just not enough time today. And Paul goes to planting tomorrow, so he's over there watering a few things that...
Getting planted.
Yeah, that we planted.
Getting them watered in.
Yeah.
They'll look good tomorrow.
Okay, so here's a view from here. And a view from this side. So I'll come in and show you. Okay. Nothing grand. We brought this little shelf down here. We've got some little warming pads for the seeds, little heating pads for seeds we can use there if we need to. Got our, the rooster had to.
Other side, well, you do this. I'll water this.
Alright. And yeah, looks like that one's not draining good, but we'll see how it goes. We'll keep you updated. Bring you along as we get it done. Kind of been a combined effort today, and we've worked hard. We're tired. Nobody gonna have to rock us to sleep tonight. Okay, folks, we got an overachiever here. The one on the right's a normal egg. The one on the left is a humongous egg. Wow, poor chicken. It's the end of the day. We're all exhausted. We're filling waters and rinsing them out, putting fresh water in them. We didn't get that tin picked up today. We've been working on the greenhouse, so didn't get all that cleaned up, but it's another day project. Got yard cleanup on another day. Little end of the day video. The wind's blowing. Okay, just a little update. Tilly, she got out of isolation today, and I think her pink eye was good enough that she's not going to spread anything. Her eye's not weeping anymore. It's not cloudy anymore. And she was sure proud to get back out here with her sister. We don't normally leave a collar on them, but she's going to be up here in the pen tonight. That way we can get a hold of her tomorrow and give her medicine. That's Tilly. And that's Tatum. Their litter mate, twins. Anyhow, they don't like to be separated, so that's been hard on them through this. She was sure proud to get back in there with her today. I was going to show you when Paul took her out there, but I forgot. Oakley's griping. He's like, it is time to go in the house, people. We have been out here working for hours. He's exhausted. I know, I'm tired too. Huh? What are you griping about? Huh? All you do is sit out here and supervise all day. You act like you did all the work or something. You think you're tired? We're tired. How about it? We love you anyhow. I know sometimes he gets to whining, but if you take him in, he cries and wants to come out, so. He's like, can we just go in? Yeah, I'm going to be walking just like you, buddy. I'm going to follow you, and I'm going to be walking just like you. With that hen, she's like, so you can make it to the house? Are you concerned about him? He's got to sit down and take a break. Tilly's back out here with her twin sister, Tatum. They do not like to be separated ever. And, yeah, that was the first time ever. Anyhow, Tilly had to be in isolation because she had pink eye, and we wanted to get it treated before she spread it or anything else. So we waited till it stopped weeping and her eye's not cloudy anymore. So she got to get back in there with her sister. So she's a very happy girl. We don't normally leave a collar on her, but she's going to be in this pen tonight, and we're going to, that way we can get a hold of her, walk her out, put medicine in her eyes for a few more days. But she was good enough to get back in there. And she was sure proud about it. Ain't that right, Tilly? Did you get to get back in there with Tatum? She says a happy, happy Easter day. That was her blessing. Happy Easter, everyone. We didn't mention that earlier. We've worked all day. The family went to the aunt's house to have Easter. The rest of the family did. And we stayed home and worked on the greenhouse and got some stuff done we needed to get our garden going here on the homestead. And anyhow, we've had a good day. We appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all hanging out with us. I know I probably said that several times in the video already, or if you might think it's gonna be the end of it. It's not. But anyhow, so anytime I say goodbye or anything like that, just know that there's gonna be several goodbyes through it. I should always see something or think of something else I need to throw in there. But yeah, we were proud that Tilly got out of isolation today, and she was too, so that was quite a blessing. Anyhow, y'all be good, be kind to one another, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's free. Share our videos. Anyhow, we'll be talking at y'all later. Appreciate y'all spending time with us.